Hey everybody, welcome back to Layman Insurance. In this particular topic, we're going to see what are the benefits of a health insurance. Who should get a health insurance, and is it even required for you to go for a health insurance? Our strong recommendation, yes, it's definitely important for you to go for a health insurance. What is the difference between an accidental cover, a critical illness, and a health insurance? Firstly, accidental cover basically means in case of an accident and the person actually expires, only then the sum assured will be given to the family. But 95% of the times, if we meet with an accident, we do not really die. We get some problem. That might be scratches or there might be some wounds, and then we get hospitalized and then we recover and come back. So who's going to bear that entire hospitalization cost? You all very clearly know that once you step into the hospital, they'll start pitching packages to you. They'll start saying like per day it'll be like 20,000, 30,000, come with a 5 lakhs package, 10 lakhs package. Like entire medical system is in such a way that the price is so high and it's almost not so affordable by most of the people. So when you do not know how much you are going to spend in a hospital, it is always recommended to go for a health insurance at the beginning of your career itself. Because assume you have a 3 lakhs of health insurance cover. Tomorrow you need to go for some surgery like a cataract surgery, or say you meet with an accident and there's going to be a hospital expense, there's an appendix surgery, anything like that. Then if they give you a bill of about 2.5 lakhs or 2 lakhs for this entire process, if you have an insurance, a very good health insurance, then possibly you can actually claim the entire thing in a cashless procedure also. So now let me explain to you what is a cashless claim and what is an actual claim. So if you have a health insurance, there are two forms of health insurance. One is an individual insurance. Second is a floater policy. So for a single individual, you're trying to get a health insurance of say 1 lakh or 5 lakhs or anything like that. So that insurance will cover only that single individual. But if you're going to take an insurance for the entire family, like your spouse or your parents and kids, then up to even 3 or 4 members can be covered in the same premium at a slightly higher premium, in fact. So assume you take a 5 lakh policy, it is always advisable to cover the entire family in a floater policy than covering individually each and every person. So if assume you and your spouse want a health insurance, so both of you are trying to go for a 5 lakh individual insurance. So for a 5 lakh insurance, you might get an annual premium of about say 15,000. So 15,000 rupees you need to pay per head for each one of you. So two people together, it's about 30,000 rupees. If you go for a floater insurance, it will cost you a little higher. Say it will be about 18,000 or 19,000 rupees, but it will cover both of you for the whole year. And you can take a quarterly payment or a half yearly payment or annual mode of payment of your premium. Our strong recommendation is always go for a half yearly or annual payment, because if you go for a monthly payment mode, in case you miss a particular deadline and if your policy lapses, then you will not be able to claim. Secondly, you will be able to get entire cashless benefit. So what they say is in insurance, they'll have a list of hospitals where they have tie-up with. Maybe around 3,000, 4,000 hospitals will be there where they'll be able to process cashless claim. So you go to the hospital and you say that you have a particular insurance, say New India Insurance or a Star Health Insurance. You have a particular insurance, you directly go there and mention that in the insurance department. And from then on, they'll not be billing you. The entire estimation will be sent to the insurance office and they will get approval from themselves. And mostly they'll be able to give you an approval of 80 to 90%, and the remaining small 5 to 10% value is what you are going to pay. So this hospital expenses are extremely volatile and variable, and many people do not have control over what is the expense which is going to happen if you enter into a hospital. So it's always recommended to have an active health insurance live and ready, and always renewed on a half yearly or annual manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next video.